Namaskar and good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Viveki Casey, and today I'm here to present some BBA questions. Which of the following is the critical angle of glass? 42 degree. Who discovered the magnetic effect of electric current? Orested. Which law is given by the statement any pressure applied on an enclosed liquid is transmitted equally to all the parts? Pascal's law. Which stage of cell division is the longest phase? Prophase. Define apiculture. The process of bee farming is called apiculture. Define free fall. When a body falls freely towards the center of the earth under the influence of the gravity, the motion of body is called free fall. Who founded the law of electromagnetic induction? Michael Faraday founded the law of electromagnetic induction. Define the spectrum of light, the band of colors obtained on a screen when white light passes through a prism and splits into its constituent colors is called spectrum of light. Define heat. On what factor does it depend? Heat is the form of energy that is transferred between two substances at different temperatures. It depends on temperature of body. Mention any two effects of climate change: rising sea levels, air pollution. The number of turns in primary and secondary coils of a transformer is 1600 and 240 respectively. If the primary voltage is 220, find its secondary voltage. The formula to find the secondary voltage is Np by Ns equals to Vp by Vs. Name any four medicinal plants found in Nepal and mention any two uses. Uh, Bozo, Titepati, Neem, Pudina. It stops bleeding from nose. It purifies blood. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, handwriting is very nice. Look at you. So, handwriting should be so neat and clean, right? So, that was the presentation by Bba Presentation. Now we have to check the presentation from next candidate. After Bba, there is Pujana. They discuss and send together, right? They live nearby, or they just prepare similar one and then do it. Ori Baba.
To everyone, so today I'm here to discuss some BBA questions. Absorptions of which ray causes hotness? Infrared ray. Which instrument provides electricity in a large scale but causes pollution? Thermal power plant. Which of the following formula can give the part of a solid immersed in a liquid? P2 by B1. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Linnaeus, who proposed the five kingdom system of classification. R. S. Whittaker propounded the five kingdom system of classification. What is beekeeping? Beekeeping is the occupations of owning and breeding bees for their honey. Define medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are those plants which have been discovered and used in traditional medicine practices since previous time. Define focal length. The distance between the center of a lens on curved mirror and its focus is called focal length. Mention any two endangered animal of Tarai region. Royal Bengal tiger, swamp deer. Define critical angle. The angle of incidence that provides an angle of refraction of 90 degrees is called critical angle. A concave lens has a focal length of 25 cm. What is the power of lens? Focal length is equal to 25 centimeter. The formula to find the power is 1 by f. Thank you.
This is prepared according to that grid or differently? According to grid or differently? She made MCQ, how many questions? One or two, four MCQ. Then very short question also, one, two, three, four. On that much? On that much?
Two long question, but one is not downloaded.
One downloaded?
Two long question.
Why not downloaded? I'm confused. Okay. Give her a big round of applause. Now it's the turn of who is this? Butterfly पूछा ना? Keep a photo. Some are writing cartoon character also. Huh? You don't have your own photo? My goodness. Now after Viveki, Sarnia Kesi. Viveki origin, now Sarnia Kesi.
And good afternoon to everyone. As you all know, it's me, Sarnia Bungal.
Yeah.
Today I am here to discuss some BBA questions. Which one of the following is called a vascular non-flowering plant? Diroplant, Diroplantaries. At which point on a chromosome are the two chromatids held together? Centromere. Which part of blood helps in transporting oxygen in our body? RBCs. Which of the following is equivalent to 1 Newton force? 10 to the power 5 times. Very short question answer. According to the classification of living beings, which organisms evolved first on the earth? According to the classification of living beings, bacteria evolved first on the earth. What is meant by medicinal plants? Medicinal plants are the species of plant kingdom whose parts, flowers, leaves, roots, stems, fruits, or seeds are directly used or used in some preparation as medicine to treat a condition or disease. Define universal gravitation constant G. The universal gravitational constant G is defined as the gravitation produced between two bodies of unit mass separated by called thermal energy, heat. The transfer of energy between two bodies due to temperature difference is called heat. Thermal energy is caused by the movement of particles in a system. Heat is caused by the degree of hotness or coldness of a system. Long answer type questions. The table shows recipients and donors of different blood groups. Answer the following questions on the basis of it. Name the antigens and antibodies found in blood group B positive. Antigens B and antibodies A is found in blood group B positive. Which blood group of them has no antibodies? Blood group AB has no antibodies. Why can the bl- why can the blood group uh, O negative be transfused to any blood group? Because it does not has antibodies A and B. Why can the blood group AB positive be transfused to the person with AB positive only? Because AB blood group has the both antigens and has no antibodies. Study the given diagram to answer the following questions. Which filial generation is shown in the given diagram? Filial second generation is shown in the given diagram. How does it support the purity of gametes? It supports the law of purity of gametes as allele pairs being separated during gamete formation and the paired condition is restored by random fusion of gametes during fertilization. Write the phenotype and genotype of the ge- generation. The phenotype is 3 is to 1 and genotype is 1 is to 3 is to 1. Mention the character of parents participated in it. Pure red, capital R and capital R. Pure white, small r and small r. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Uh, this is this is sample question, but I think some of the questions are not from the syllabus, right? Yes or no? So she has brought from others also. But I told you to prepare from three chapters: heat, wave, and electricity and magnetism. Right? Please practice. Questions are very easy. I saw yesterday only those questions, and those questions are printed also. But you have to make answer very easy and handwriting. So Sasank was also praising for our handwriting. Give a big round of applause. Our handwriting was very nice. Handwriting should be very attractive one. There is saying, good handwriting is the symbol of perfect education. So thank you very much, Sarnia. After Sarnia, now there is Lonish Acharya. Sarnia, then Lonish Acharya is here, right? After Lonish, long Salsa.
Okay, sir. Uh, Namaskar everyone, it's me, Present BB. Key question. Uh, when does land these occurs? Night. Which type of thermometer has thermistor at its in digital thermometer? Uh, ab, absor, abs- Absorption of which ray cause hotness, infrared radiation. Which of the following is the critical angle of glass? 42 degree. Very short answer question. What is gene? A gene is basic physical and fundamental unit of heredity. Mention main function of worker bee. The main function of worker bee is cleaning colony, caring larva. Uh, in how many division are plant divided? Plant are divided into three division. Mention the fundamental unit present in unit of pressure. Kg, kilogram, meter as second. Now, short question answer. Describe specific heat capacity in short. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of a substance per unit of mass. The specific heat capacity of materials is physical property. How does radiation thermometer work? Describe in short. The thermopile absorbs the infrared radiation and turns into heat. The more infrared energy, the hotter thermo thermo pills gets. This heat is turned into electricity. The electricity is sent to a detector, which used to determine sent to uh, the temperature of whatever the thermometer is pointed at it.
I'm here to discuss some BBA questions.
No, no, it's a downward answer. Downward. Open. They go to that website.
Website only.
Yeah, there only.
What is the average kinetic energy of the molecules contained in a body? It is thermometer.
Parameter.
Hey, temperature. Sorry.
And you are listening only, you just check.
Okay.
Yeah, get it?
Which of the following is SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. Who discovered the magnetic effect of electric current? Oersted. Oersted. In which of the following are fossil fuels used? Thermal power plant. Define principal focus. The point where two parallel lines meet at the point of principal axis is called principal focus. Define thermometric liquid. The liquid which is used in thermometer is called thermometric liquid. Mention the major use of transformer. The major use of transformer are to increase the supplied voltage through step up transformer and decrease the supplied voltage through step down transformer. Here are some difference between step up transformer and step down transformer. It increases the supplied voltage, it decreases the supplied voltage. Step up transformer is mainly used in industries or in big scale. Step down transformer is mainly used for domestic purpose. State the laws of refraction of light. The incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lies at same place, and here is mu equal to sine angle of incidence by sine angle of refraction. Long question. Here are some long questions. Mention the condition required for total internal reflection. The incident ray must pass from a denser medium to a rarer medium. The angle of incidence in denser mediums should be greater than the critical angle for the given pair of mediums. Here is one numerical. The number of turns in primary and secondary coils of a transformer is 1600 and 240 respectively. If the primary voltage is 220 voltage, find its secondary voltage. We have the formula Np by Ns equal to Pp by Vs. Np equal to 1600 and Ns equal to 240. Vp equal to 220, and the secondary voltage is the one we need to find. Through this formula we got the value of secondary voltage, which is 33 volt. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So he has made the sample based from the syllabus. That's great. Now let's go to discuss next question. Sasank Kalamsal also we have discussed. Ritika Maharjanam. After Ritika, Luniva be ready, okay? We have got near about 6-7 minutes left. After which I think Luniva will be last. Okay, Luniva? remaining Raju, then Simre, Sopan, Unibai,
Martin. Today I am here to discuss BBA questions. MCQ: What is the value of gravitational constant? 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 nm square per kg minus square. In which of the following are fossil fuel used? Thermal power plant. Which of the following is the critical angle of glass? Uh, 42 degree. Which for what purpose can bozo be used? Throat disorder. Define dispersion of light. The phenomenon of splitting white light into its constituent color is called dispersion of light. Define thermal energy. The sum of kinetic energy of all the molecule of a body or system is called thermal energy. Uh, Define hydraulic brake. Hydraulic brake is a braking system usually used in four wheels and other heavy automobiles. Define blood pressure. The pressure exerted by the flow of blood on the walls of the arteries is called the blood pressure. Short question answer. State the law of refraction of light. The incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal to the interface all lies in the same plane. Mu is equal to sine angle I by sine angle r. The path of light be visible. Define it. On what factor does it depend? It is defined as that source which we can get energy. It is depend on mass of the body, difference in temperature. How can you determine the lower fixed point in a newly constructed thermometer? Describe it with a suitable diagram. Where is the diagram? The process of determining the lower fixed point on a newly constructed the thermometer to establish a scale on it is called the calibration of the thermometer. The mass of a brick is 2 kg. Find the mass of a water displaced by it when it is complete immersed in water. Uh, Solution mass m1 equals to 2 kg, b1 equals to 2.5 grams cube, 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 kg by 10 power 6 meters cube equals to 25,000 kg meter cube. Density of water equals to 1000 kg meter cube. Mass of displaced water equals to mu equals to b1 equals to b2. M1 by D1 equals to M2 by D2. M1 D1 by D2 equals to M1 by M2. 25,000 by 1000 equals to 2 by M2. M2 is equals to 1000 into 2 by 25,000 equals to M2 20 by 25. M square equal M2 equals to 4 by 5. M1 equals to 0.8 kg. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, but what did we find? Instead of photo, I think PDF is better one. Better one. Simply you just make it vertical. It will be quite easy to present. Right? So right now, the last presentator, I think Deepak Bro is going to ring the bell. So your work will be done later on. Okay, Luniba, Sapan, Simres, Sastank. Only who is that? Raju. Their presentation will be after the formal classes in coaching time. Is that okay? Children, please practice well. What you have written, please read it and practice time and again. Understood or not? So questions are questions only. They are not Second.
Good afternoon, to all. It's me, Sopan Border from.
I
Okay.
20. You know what that?
Sir,
I 28.
5 to
And next one.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday.
I do Sunday.
Yeah, I'm here to present about my brain boosting presentation. Which of the following image can be a convex lens, virtual and magnified? Which of the following is equivalent to 1 calorie eat? 4.2 joule. Which of the following is refractive index diamond?
What is the question?
Which
The
of
following is the effect. What is the question?
who discovered the magnetic
The
effect of
number D. What is the question is that? I'm confused.
which of the following is
And what is you have? So this way is making everything fun. The one start from A. He start from B.
oh that
Question also you can write correctly. Answer of question like number one. Which of the following image can be of convex? What is it?
convex lens,
And then that question is called okay.
virtual
Which
and
of the
magnified.
following image can be formed by a convex lens? Words are missing. Gayab.
No, sir, in old book there is this. That's why.
Next one. Which of the following is equivalent to 1 calorie? Like that. What is feeling equivalent also? EQUALT. EQUI. And which of the following is the refractive index diamond? Which of the following has the highest refractive index? Diamond. Who discovered the magnetic effect of electric current? What is it right? Right or wrong? That is right.
Right.
Next. Question. And question is here. Okay, what is my opinion? What is my opinion?
Of vision
Tell what is my opinion? Vision of only.
of vision of condition. Very short question. What is myopia? Of vision condition in which an object close to the eye is seen clearly, whereas object farther away appear black and red is known as myopia. Define the function of retina. Hey, what is the function of retina? The function of retina are given below. It converts light that enters into your eye into electricity signals.
Sorry, what that? What is question?
Electrical function of
What is the
retina.
function of retina? What is retina? You remember Canada? Spelling of retina is R-E-T-I-N-A. The function of retina R. What is the retina R? You wrote one function, you wrote R, right?
Uh,
It converts light that enters into your eye into electricity signal.
yes.
Next, electric signal. Okay, next number.
Define depreciation of light. Depreciation of dispersion of light. Dispersion of light is defined as the splitting of white light in different colors. Why does light bends when it passes from one medium to another? Because there is change in speed.
So you start writing the answer from because direct. Oh boy.
Yes, sir.
Confusing type of voice.
What is critical angle? What is critical angle of diamond? Critical angle is defined as the angle of incidence in a denser medium for which the corresponding angle for diffraction in area medium.
Finish. That the answer.
Rare medium. In a rare medium, the critical angle.
Medium is 90 degree. What is it? And you wrote there what is critical angle and what is okay. And critical angle of diameter is 2.42. What is it doing? Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Critical angle is how much? 24 degrees. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Write the difference between myopia and hypermyopia.
I don't like it.
Hyper. I'm not seeing nicely.
Because
That's
they are making you forever. Okay, now it's that.
hypermetropia.
Yeah.
Myopia. It has short sightedness.
It has some tightness. What is it?
Myopia.
It has some tightness. It is also called short sightedness.
And hypermetropia. It it has long sightedness.
It
It
is
is
also
also
known
known
as
as
long
iron, and it is known as concave lens.
It's not a long.
Known as,
It is corrected by using concave lens.
and it
It
is
is corrected by using concave lens. It is corrected by using
concave lens.
convex lens. So there is no practice because of that.
Long question answer. Numerical, sir.
Okay, numericals are not needed. You can click here and write.
Sir.
Let the here.
Here.
Very good. So next. Next.
This is one. Another one is in another coffee. It's
What is it? You need different? Next. Next.
this is another,
Okay. Okay.
and this is
Okay. Different between?
heat and temperature.
Okay. That is last. He made
It is sum of kinetic energy contained by the molecules of object. Temperature, it is the degree of hotness and coldness of an object. It is measured in joule. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. It is the one form of energy. Temperature, it is not a form of an energy. It is derived in it is it is a derived quantity. Temperature, it is fundamental quantity. Thank you.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So, you two now little high. So many more claps they have come. He has done quite good. So some mistakes were there. It should not be repeated, right? So but while writing, you have to be confirmed. What is written, it comes here. Now I think now is next candidate is here. Sapan, Tenjin Kishore, Sneha, Parson, Sneha Rai, Parson Arina Guvaju, Aisan Rai, Parson, Sushant Puyal, Kritika Adhikari, Priyanshi, Avisha Duhari, Sugam Anmol, Sapan Paudel, Sanju Paudel, निस्तारा साई स्वर्णिमा महर्जन देसारा शशाङ्क आचार्य come here.
Download or sir, not sir.
How is it? Okay, explain here.
Explain here.
Yeah, this is like that only 5,001.
Namaskar and very good afternoon to all. Today I am here to do this. First question is, which of the following is the specific capacity of water? 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. When does land breeze occur? At night. Which of the following has maximum refractive index? Diamond. What is the power of a convex lens of focal length of 25 meter? For
Centimeter.
25 centimeter for the diameter. Define it. The sum of kinetic energy of the molecule present in a body is called heat. Which lens is used to correct hypermetropia? Convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia. What is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Define critical angle. Critical angle is defined as the angle of incidence in a denser medium for which the corresponding angle of refraction is a rarer medium. Difference between convex lens and concave lens. It is thicker. Convex lens is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Concave lens is thinner at the middle and thicker as edges. Its focus is real. Its focus is virtual. Define specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of substance is defined as amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 K. Determine the size of the real image of 2 centimeter object. 2 centimeter high object placed 40 centimeter away from a convex lens. The real image is for minute 80 centimeter away from the lens. The height of the image is not given yet. Find that height of the object is 2 cm. Object distance is 40 cm and image distance is 80 cm, and the height of the image is 4 cm. Describe the importance of the anomalous expansion of water. Since water is an insulator of heat, it provides insulation to the water below it. The sequence of the temperature of water is 1 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius from up to down. It is because water contracts maximum of 4 degree Celsius and has maximum density due to its least volume. Because of their reason, water is at the bottom. It helps aquatic organisms remain alive in water. Thank you.
This boy also has done the work correctly because I don't know how to open. Oh, thank you. So he also made the question according to the given format. You need to practice this question. Say, okay, children. Now after Sasank, let me see here. Sujan Rokayas. Sujan Rokaya absent, even though we'll see. Susan Rukaya. Okay, what is the speed of light in vacuum? 3 times in the 8 meter per second. Right or wrong? Absorption of which ray causes hotness? Okay, this question is repeated also, right? Do you need that gun? Ruler gun? My goodness, I'm confused. Eh? What is the average kinetic energy of the molecules contained in a body? Temperature. This boy also has improved handwriting, see? And which of the following is equivalent to 1 calorie heat? Question is repeated, right? Base question. Define heat. Question repeated. Water is used to cool the hot engines of vehicles. Why? What is water? Yeah, because it has high specific capacity and it can absorb large amount of heat and remains cool for long time, right? So it doesn't become hot very quickly. Define dispersion of light. This also already discussed. Splitting white light into 7 different colors. Define light pipe. Somebody has already done this also. Light pipe is a solid cylindrical transparent device that can transmit light from one end to another without any loss. Differences between heat and temperature, I think is done. Intermediate done or not? And then next one, numerical is here. Numerical form problem you have to remember. Q equals to mc dt, right? That formula is discussed. M means mass of the body. What is C? Specific capacity. And dt. So if so, question the formula is Q equals to ms dt. What is the formula? Q equals to mc dt. But if there is hot body and cold body, at the time the formula is different. What is that? Principle of calorimetry. M1 S1 T1 minus theta. M1 S1 T1 minus theta equals to M2 S2 theta minus T2. What is your M1? Mass of hot body. S1 hot body. What is T1? Temperature hot body. What is theta? final temperature. Q is heat lost or gain. Theta is final temperature. M2 mass of cold body. S2 specific heat capacity of cold body. Theta final temperature. T2 very easy way to remember. No, M1 S1 T1 minus theta. M2 S2 theta minus T2. If you pay attention, you can remember. Otherwise, for that formula also we have to climb Mount Everest, which is not possible for us. We need lots of training. Understand, boy? And to manage the item only, we need to spend near about 5 lakh rupees. Item only. Again, we have to pay royalty for government. Okay, Purnima? Mount Everest. They do Mount Everest expedition also. MCDT, this formula has come. Are you finished? How much it is supplied to raise the I think this is a similar one. If so, one diagram is shown here. Draw the figure to show dispersion of light. For to show dispersion of light, white light strikes here in this triangular phase. That is equilateral triangle. And when it passes from air to glass, now the speed of colors changes and they start moving with their own speed. And in the spectrum, we can get 7 different colors. What are they? V, I, B, excuse me, G, Y, O, R, right? Excuse me, height, there you go. I. Now, okay, that is question also we have discussed. Sudan Rokaya's activity is done. Now, Youth Parya, Rakshak Magar, Nisha Shiva Koti, Karki Sridhar already done. Now, which duty is left? Raju is not here. Where is Raju? And Raju is last. Raju is Simres. Where is it? Simres is here. So, Raju also was there. So, Raju, your turn will come later, right? It has come. Okay, let's welcome on the stage Simres Maharjan. I said Simres Maharjan, it is not working. It will be down with the gear of where do you want? It happens like this. Want to biting the ball peen's cover, no boy?
So namaskar everyone. So I am going to discuss about some questions here. So first is MCQ. What is the average kinetic energy of the molecules contained in a body? Its temperature. What is the range of temperature on the scale of a lab thermometer? It is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Absorption of which ray causes hotness? So it is UV rays. And which of the following is the critical angle of glass? It's 42 degrees. And very short question answers. Define it. It is the type of energy that makes between things that have different temperatures. Define dispersion of light. The phenomenon of splitting white lights into 7 different colors is called dispersion of light. Define light pipe. A light pipe is a solid cylindrical transparent device that can transmit light from one end to another and without any loss. And next one is define specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of that substance by 1 degree Celsius. And short question answer, what is myopia? How is it corrected? So myopia is defined as the type of vision defect in a person which can see near object but cannot see far objects. It is corrected by using the concave lens. Next one is the difference between long sightedness and short sightedness. So long sightedness, a person with this defect can see distant object but cannot see the objects that are near. And in short sightedness, a person can see near objects but cannot see distant objects. The curvature of this is reduced and the curvature of this cornea is increased. Next one is the long question answers. And an object is placed 20 centimeter away from a concave lens. The focal length of the lens is 10 centimeter. Find the image distance. So here is given the object distance u equals to minus 20 cm and focal length is minus 10 cm. So we need to find the image distance. So we have the formula 1 by f equals to 1 by b minus 1 by u. We put the formula, we put the value of this all, And then our answer is minus 6.67 cm. Hence, the virtual image is formed at the distance of 6.67 cm away from the lens at the same side of the object. Next one is describe the specific heat capacity briefly. Specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of the substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. There is formula C equals to Q by m dt. Here C is specific heat capacity and Q is amount of heat. M is mass of substance and dt is difference in temperature. Different substances have different specific heat capacity. Substance with higher specific heat capacity changes the temperature slowly, while those with lower specific heat capacity change the temperature faster. The SI unit of specific heat capacity of water is widely used to express only the water has the maximum specific heat capacity among known as the specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule kg per degree Celsius, or it is. So here is one given: if 1.5 kg of water needs 6300 joule of heat to raise its temperature, so its heat capacity will be 6300. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Now finally, we have got our hero, Pandu hero. We have said 5% minimum GPA, 10% minimum GPA. Okay. Raj, you find out your own email and then present yourself.
Namaskar and very warm good afternoon to you all. Today I am here to discuss the BBA question. So, at first I discuss MCQs. What is the average kinetic energy of molecule contained in a body? It is temperature. Which of the following is specific heat capacity of water? 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. Which of the following has maximum refractive index? That is diamond. What is the speed of light in vacuum? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Very short question answer. Define dispersion of light. The phenomenon of splitting white light into its constituent color is called dispersion of light. Define light pipe. A light pipe is a solid cylindrical transparent device that can transmit from one end to another without any loss. Define anomalous expansion of water. Anomalous expansion of water is defined as a particular type of expansion in which water expands after 4 degree centigrade only. What is 1 calorie of heat? 1 calorie of heat is defined as the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram pure water at 1 degree or 1 Kelvin. Difference between heat and temperature. The difference between heat and temperature are: heat temperature. Heat is measure of total kinetic energy of all the molecule in a body. Temperature, it is measured of average kinetic energy of molecule in a body. Its SI unit is joule. Calorimeter is used to measure it. Temperature SI unit is Kelvin. It is measured by thermometer. Water is used to cool the engine of vehicle. Give appropriate reason. Water is used to cool the hot engine of vehicle because the specific heat capacity of very high, that is 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. Long questions. Numerical: a ray of light is incident in air on the surface of glass block. The angle of incident is 30 degree. Calculate the angle of refractive where Ri of glass is 1.5. So angle of incident is 30 degree, refractive index 1.5, and angle of refraction we have to find. So we have formula mu is equals to sine angle of incident upon sine angle of refraction. So the answer is 19.45 degree. Answer the following question on the basis of given diagram. Name the instrument that is measured that and mention its uses. The name of instrument is thermometer and it is used to measure the temperature of body. A is bulb and B is scale. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so everybody must have lovely and nice day. So children, a presentation from all students is over. Now what to do? Will you give me all your copies here so that I will distribute to different people? They will read from that copy. Afterwards, we can ask yes or no. Please, let's collect all copies here. Group A, Ritika will bring here. Group B is